Let's get to know each other. Talk
Yeah,
about
perfect.
yourself.
Let's
Yeah,
go.
yeah. Okay.
What time is there right now?
Uh, in Canada, it's 4 a.m., 4:30 a.m. But the place
So
that
you
I'm
are in
living
the
now,
east
it's
part?
what?
Are you in the east part? Like
Actually,
Toronto? Or...
truth be told, I'm not in Canada.
Ah, okay.
Uh, so I hope and I swear that this is the last lie that you ever heard from me.
No, I couldn't understand.
I place and I declared that I'm from Canada. Yes, in my profile, I think you can see
Yeah.
the flag of Canada. Yes, but actually, I'm not from Canada. Uh, yes.
Ah, no, that's okay. Where are you
Uh-huh.
from?
From Iran.
Okay, nice. Salam Shatari.
Really? Really? Wow.
No, I only know a few sentences because I have friends from Iran.
Really? Oh, business friends or just
No, because I've been living in Canada. I've been living in Vancouver. So there are many Persian people in Canada. So I
yeah.
met in work or friends. Yeah, I have friends from there. Yeah.
Yeah, I see. So you live in Canada, Vancouver, Canada, yeah?
I was living in 2023, last year. Yeah, for
Uh-huh.
9 months. I
Uh-huh.
really love Canada.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. Yes, I have two or three students here in Canada, in Vancouver, in Quebec, and also some other places, and some other students that they want to migrate to Canada. Yeah. So you still
Yeah.
live in Canada, but in another state, or you?
Me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No, I couldn't get.
I asked, you still live in Canada, or
No, 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 no. I
uh,
had to leave the country in November 15th because my visa expired. So, yeah,
oh,
unfortunately, now I'm in Spain. Yeah.
So I think also your mother tongue is Spanish and you originated from
Yes.
Spain, yeah? Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm
Very
from
good,
Spain. Yes.
very good. ¿Cómo estás? Yeah.
I
A little bit.
very good. The same with me with Persian. So you are in Iran right now.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, I think the only problem that might have that we might face is somehow internet. Yes, but also I try to handle this. Yes, I spent almost all of my money to buy a new modem. Yes, a powerful modem
Okay.
that I can receive a high speed and steady internet. And I ordered for 2 weeks ago, and yes, I think uh, this week at last I can buy this modem
Yeah,
and set up this modem.
this kind of process generally are slow or slowly. I don't know. Please correct me if I make mistakes because I
Uh-huh.
need to improve my English.
For sure, for sure. So you live in, you used to live in English country. Very good, very good. So,
But for my first time, it was my first time living in a foreign country. I mean, foreign